And as we know, we are coming to the 73rd Republic Day. So today I am going to make the Indian flag on the 3x3 Rubik's cube. First I am going to make it, then I will give the tutorial. So let's start. Yay! I made it! You see, it's so easy that you will also learn it in 1 minute. So this is the cube and now we are going to start with the tutorial. So the blue should be the front portion and white should be the upper portion. And then what we have to do is turn this this orange portion to the right, like this. So this will be the top portion now. Now we have to bring this green till here. So we will turn it 2 times. 1, 2. So this much is done. Now we have to bring the white portion here. For that we have to turn this down. Now this center portion we have to turn to that side, like this. Then we will bring this portion up like this. Then we will bring this back and we will do the same for the other side. First put it down, then turn the center portion to the opposite side, then take it back. Then we have an eye on the top, and if we turn it this side, our Indian flag is done. You see, it was so easy to make it. Thank you. Jai Hind. Happy Republic Day.